Audio Jungle.
This is High Tech News TV News. HCL National Double Championship concludes successfully in Chennai. India's HCL, leading global conglomerate along with the Squash Rackets Federation of India, successfully concluded the HCL National Double Championship held at the Indian Squash Academy, Chennai between May 13 to May 15, 2024. Under the HCL Squash Podium program, the reveal of the Double Squash Championship after a hiatus of 17 years was a cherished event in India's squash history. Abhay Singh and Velavan Senthilkumar won gold in the men's double with a score of 2-0. Pooja Aarti and Ratika Seelan in the women's double with a score of 2-1, and Abhay Singh and Joshna Chinnappa in the mixed doubles category. The winners were felicitated by the chief guest Dr. Atulya Misra, the additional chief secretary of the Tamil Nadu government, and Tulasimadhi Murugesan, the gold medalist from the Asia Para Games 2022, who was the guest of honor at the finale ceremony. In this occasion, Rajat Chancholia, AVP and head of brand at HCL, was happy to witness the enthusiastic participation of squash players in the HCL National Double Championship. After that, Cyrus Poncha, Secretary General, the Squash Rackets Federation of India, said, "I am truly excited to see the reassessance of double squash in India. Thank you very much to mutual efforts to SRFI and HCL. It was truly thrilling to see the clashes between the double pairs." The final matches were fought between the pairs of Abhay Singh and Velavan Senthilkumar versus Rahul Paithan, Suraj Sant in the men's category, and Pooja Aarti and Ratika Seelan versus Janet Vidya and Nirupama Dubey in the women's category, and Abhay Singh and Joshna Chinnappa versus Harinder Paul Singh Chantu, Ratika Seelan in the mixed doubles category.